Ayan, ngayon naman nandito kami sa Antipolo. Sa Hinulugang Taktak daw. Today's video, we are in Antipolo City, which is 22 miles east of Metro Manila. And with light traffic, it would only take you about a little bit over an hour. So we left early and definitely no traffic. This time, we're gonna go visit Hinulugang Taktak, which is located in a park that is famous for its waterfall and also some activities that we may enjoy. Anyway, so come join me and let's check this place out. Ayan, ngayon naman nandito kami sa Antipolo. Sa Hinulugang Taktak daw. Ito yung entrance. That's what we're supposed to see. I think it says it's only like 10 feet tall as the falls. I'm coming! Welcome. Meron siya. Kaya nga. .5 hectares pala. O yan na, exercise ha. Pwede na mag-crispy pata. Crispy pata ko. O ngayon na tayo mag-crispy pata. Ako magbabayad. Huwag na po, ikaw magbabayad, hindi na ako mag-crispy pata. So I guess you can swim here, but we don't have a swimsuit. There's a nice clean pool. Looks like it has a little slides down. Yep. It's a calico, ha? Huh? It's a calico cat. Ay, kawawa ka naman, walang pagkain. Ay, ang ganda. Laki. No hiking required. Just a little climbing of paved stairwell. Not bad. I've never done this before, so here we go. It's always the first time. Second time climbing up. First time, which I did not have my phone, is to take my blood pressure before the wall climbing. I told them I'm healthy, but of course that's not good enough. So now I'm done, and then I'm up here again. Hala. Dito, kakahingal din kaya. So we're gonna try handicap kind of path, but This is the only one I've seen. Ano kaya yan? Hanging bridge. Canopy walk daw. See, spiderweb. Ano yung rappelling? Oh, iba yun eh. Pila kami.
Ma'am, okay lang po. Natawag po sila. 40 pataas.
Oo, nag-ano na ako dyan. Nag-blood pressure na ako.
Pupong na lang ako dito. Maghintay sa kanila.
Okay.
Ito. Ay, Arjon.
Pirma na naman.
May gate na ba kayo, mami?
Sa baba. Nag-wall climbing ako.
Ibang activity po.
Oh, sige.
Or iba po.
Iba pang pirma. Pirma na naman.
Mga magta-try.
Ikaw, sama ka, Aljon?
Oo, kasi senior ka eh. Dapat may kasama.
Paano ko?
Sakit.
Ang sakit. Senior daw ako, kaya kasama ko si Aljon.
So, ito po.
Ay, nako, narinig nyo, mami ang tawag sa akin. Nag-sign ako ng waiver. Ba't ilan ba? Hindi pwede sabay-sabay.
So, ang pagtawid lang po dito sa canopy, 1% at a time lang po.
One person ang pagtawid.
Opo, sa bridge po. Pero pwede kayo magsama sa canopy para magpa-picture.
Ah, sige.
Ang offer ko po, pinakamaganda mag-picture po dyan, Station 6. Kasi po, yung background nyo po, falls.
Pag clean.
Hindi pa yung gamit.
Sanitize daw yung kanyang helmet. Yan na. Oo. This is where I am. Woo! Kano to, kuya? 20 feet? How many meter? 75 feet? Ayan. I'm 75 feet above the ground daw. So, hawakan ko daw yung cellphone ko. At pag nahulog, wala daw kukuha. Totoo ba yon, kuya? Meron din naman. Oh, see? Meron din naman kukuha ng cellphone ko. Saan ako papunta? Ano yan? Paikot na. See? Meron pa ako si kuya, oh. Taga-guide. Ay, there's one every, Anika, there is one in every tree.
Okay na yan!
What? Ayaw hahawak yan, sabi ko sa'yo.
Mahirap!
Germaphobe.
Mami, huwag may pagkait sa alaman yung carbon dioxide na meron ka sa katawan mo.
Germaphobe yan. Germaphobe. Oh, halika.
Tawag ka na muna, ma'am.
Oo nga.
Yung magaan ka na.
I weigh 300 pounds daw, kaya isa-isa lang. Ayan, and then every time you reach a station ba to?
Yes, ma'am.
They change the, I guess they tie you up. I'm tied up. Punta, ano na to? 6, yun ba yun?
Yeah.
Yun ang huli. I'm on station 5, going to 6. It's nice view up here. Look, andun yung pool. Ito, pababa, ayan na. I guess they make sure you're pretty safe here. Each of these 3 stations in between this canopy walk, they call it. You know, somebody's manning it. Yeah. Oh, ito ba yung 6? 5, meron pa isa? Okay. I got it. So this is 5. Where's Anika? Ayun na! Nakarating din! Punta na kami sa 6. Here we go. I guess if you are afraid of heights, this might not be a good thing, but me, afraid of heights? No. Dalawa-dalawa na lang. Hindi makuha maganda. Anika. No? Hindi kaya. Hindi daw kaya. Bumaliktad na. This is it. The end of the trail. Ay. Sa likod ka nga. Ayan o, ang ganda. Yan ang maganda. Ay, pababa. Yeah, that's nice up there. That's the top registration or entrance area, and where I got my blood pressure taken. Woo! Whoop. It sways. This is the one that sways the most. That's okay. We're almost there. Ay, nako. Nakarating din. That's the spider web. It's my turn. Ay, kuya. Ay, sorry po. Kita ba kita? Yes. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Sige na. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Parang nahuhulog yung sapatos mo sa loob. Ay, John, ang bigat mo. Ay, John, ang bigat mo. Ano ka? 400 pounds. Gumapang ka na. Oh. Even the line's getting long, and apparently there's a lunch break, so they are going to lunch. So there's no lunch crew. Ay, salamat kuya. Never done that before, and of course, like you all saw, we did not do that in Mount Coolidge because it was muddy and wet. This was dry and they had you all strapped up. Man, eto naman, ayaw sumama. Bakit?
High blood.
Hindi yan high blood. Lukot lang. Na si kuya nag-blood pressure sa akin.
Hello, vlogger!
Daw ang blood pressure ko. Hindi kaya. That was Hinulugang Taktak. It was fun. We were there about an hour and a half, I would say. We enjoyed the little hike, and then there's an elevator for senior citizen or for handicapped or PWD people. And like I told you, entrance was free. Well, it's free for us. And then we enjoyed most of the activity, but the rappelling activity because it's closed. But anyway, so comment down below if you think this is worth coming to see, which I think it is, for only, you know, for free entrance, and you don't have to go through traffic to go through all of that. See, you can even see the web from here. So they have lunch break. So right now it's their lunch break, so you can't really enjoy the activities until they get back from lunch, which is probably an hour. All right, comment down below. And I think Antipolo City is a nice place to come visit, you know, and traffic is not bad when you reach the city, so you might want to start early on. And I guess it's now around 11:30, so I guess we're going to lunch. We'll see. Until next time, bye. Gonna find my car.